Hello, California kids. Did it rain in Southern California?
It did, and me and Max are making water and throwing leaves inside.
We live in Los Angeles. We had rain, and this is a puddle that we found. Lucky us. It's kind of exotic for our kids. Okay, Max, so how do you jump? Max looks like a fisherman. Come on, fisherman. Oh, whoa. Now you're going to have a lot of water inside your shoes. And you're going to be stuck in there forever. Seems like Max is losing his pants. I like the smile on his face. Run, run, run! So we have December, a few days after Christmas. Some people have snow. Lucky us, we have rain and puddles. It's not gonna last forever.
I really like rain because I learned to jump water. Sometimes my blanket gets how big a leaf I made. It looks like I'm gonna drown.
You think you're gonna drown? Max is ready to drown. Uh-oh. We're draining some water from Nellie's shoes. What happened in there, Nellie? Nellie's got the most perfect outfit for rain and jumping puddles, right, Nellie?
I dance goofy.
You dance. Happy feet. Max got happy feet.
And I will show you how to be happy.
Okay, I want to see how you dance. Wow, that's fantastic. Nellie is dancing. Do you guys see any fish in there?